Okay, now to multiply this, I don't like drawing a line from here to here, and a line from here to here, and a line from here to here, and a line from here to here. Unless we've totally understood why those lines are there, and we don't totally understand why those lines are there, unless we write this out using the distributive law of multiplication over addition. So this gives us -1 times -1 minus 2 square root of 2i plus 2 square root of 2i multiplied by -1 minus 2 square root of 2i. Okay? In other words, it's this, here's your plus, right? So it's this times all this plus this times all this. Okay?
Okay.
That's your distributive law. It's just an application to the fact that well, I'm just rewriting the same thing, but I'll write it in letters just to make sure. Okay? And I wrote that underneath just because I didn't have room to write it by the end of the board, right?
Right, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And then, of course, that equals AC plus AD, because we distribute the multiplication over this plus sign,
Right.
and here BC plus BD, distributing multiplication over this plus sign. So this multiplication here is distributed over this plus sign. This one is distributed over this plus sign, or this plus, and this plus sign. So we could also have written it as A plus B times C plus A plus B times D. It would have looked different, but it would have come out with the same terms.
Right.
And those terms do correspond to what you get if you draw a line here and a line here and a line here and a line here. I did it when I was in high school, but I understood the distributive law,
Yeah.
so I wasn't limited to this. And you don't want to be limited. You want to be able to write out the distributive. Well, of course, we did some of that, earlier on in this course.
Right.
Okay? So, using the distributive law, this is like your A, your B, your C, and your D, right?
Okay.
We distribute. And then we distribute again. We get -1 times -1 plus -1 times -2 square root of 2i. That's from this term, right? And then from this term we get plus 2 square root of 2i times -1 plus 2 square root of 2i times -2 square root of 2i. Okay?
Okay.
Now see if you can simplify that.